this off.
Okay, so now Hector's gonna test the alternator.
I'm gonna go from the top of that screw, from here. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go from the top of that screw. Yeah. Okay, so that screw, I screwed the nut in.
Right.
And I screwed that thing in, so I'm going from the top of that screw. So that means we're...
So that's got the wire going from the alternator to the...
Straight to the battery. That's the charging guy right there.
That's the positive.
Yep. Okay, so...
So as long as you get the beep, that means everything's connected. And
continuity, yes sir.
Yep.
Doesn't mean it's going to work.
All right.
All right, so let me grab some gloves real quick. There's still some... What we can do real quick is just... What I want to do is connect that back.
Yeah.
And we've already tightened these bolts. That's tightened. That's already plugged in right here. And we're ready to start the car and see if we're charging.
All right.
Okay.
13.5 or 6.
All
Yeah.
the way to 14, somewhere around there.
All right.
Yeah. And then we'll listen for the idle, you know, because I mean I'm hoping that we actually fix the idle, right?
Yeah.
And we won't let it run too long because we need to do the...
Right.
Because you are low on...
Well, should we do that first then?
No, we'll just do it real quick. I'm just gonna go here.
Right.
I'll have you started for just a couple of... Hang on, let me get all my tools up here. I'm missing number 8. All right, no tools up here. No, that's another thing. You don't want to leave tools around here because you'll ruin them. No tools. Everything is on there. I know I torqued both these. The one at the bottom also.
Yeah.
Belt's good. We didn't mess with anything here. Put that sucker back. That's on. All right, Rudy, is this thing on? Yeah. Okay. I wasn't.
We gotta let it down on the jack.
No, you can just because I got to get back underneath there and do the. Oh, here. Hang on here. Sorry.
Oh, that comes right off.
Here you go. I'm just curious what's going to happen here, man.
Everything off, right? AC, radio?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep. Dude, it's not. Either that alternator's bad or. Yep. It's not going up to 13, man.
What's it going up to?
It was up to 12.7. That's bizarre, man.
Yeah.
That is totally bizarre.
God dang it.
Yep.
All that work and shit.
Yeah.
And having to wait a few extra days.
I mean, what you can do is you can take that to AutoZone.
Yeah.
And they have a machine. I don't know if you bought it here from. I'm sorry, not AutoZone. You can take it,
Advanced.
to AutoZone, and have them check it. It was at 12.7. And that's what we were getting before, right?
Yeah.
And we did everything right, man.
No, we were getting 13 something, right? Because remember, it was charging it just a little bit, but not really enough. Especially if I used the AC.
It's possible that one's bad. You know that?
Yeah.
It's just, well, we know how to get it off.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be a lot easier to get it off
Yeah.
the second time. I mean, all right, let's look.
And the belt's tight enough that wouldn't have any effect on it in terms of if it was a little bit
Oh, yeah,
tighter,
no,
that
it's-
it would
It's
just
on
the alternator itself.
Yeah. I'm wondering something about. I'm wondering. Let me check this out. This is metal, right?
Oh, then maybe with this, putting it on that thing instead of,
If maybe that's shorting it out, but I doubt it. Because this is just metal, you know?
yeah.
Let me pull that off. It's just a little piece. It's not gonna. Let me pull it off. You know, I'm just thinking maybe that little thing is shorting it out.
Yeah.
I doubt it, but it could be, right?
Yeah.
Could be shorting it out. I really doubt that it is. And you know, I'll tell you what, Rudy, it's possible you got a dud, bro.
Those damn Mexicans in Mexico didn't do it right.
Yep. I wish we can bitch at our own people, man.
Right.
Come on. How long did it work before it went out on you?
What do you mean? The alternator itself, the
Yeah.
old one?
Worked for
Several
this-
years, 3 or 4, maybe, yeah, 3 or 4.
So all you gotta do is this, just touch right here
Right,
and touch right.
all right.
See, it goes up to 12.7, and that's not enough.
Yeah.
That's all you gotta do. So let me start it. You're not gonna get shocked or anything.
Oh, sorry.
My problem.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
All right, go ahead. Twelve 17, 12 18. 12
How much was it?
18. It got up to 12 19 at the last. It was at 12 17, then it flickered up to 12 18, and I took it off. I
12.18 or 12,
Yeah.
not 12.7?
no, 12 18. 17 first, and then it went up to 18. And I took it off. I touched the probes,
Yeah.
and then went up to 12 19. Still not enough, right?
No. No, not at all. That should be Dude, that sucks.
Yeah, it really does. Had to wait an extra day for it to get delivered to the Advanced Auto Parts.
Okay, let's do this one. Let's jump in my van.
All right,
Let's take this bad boy to get checked.
all right.
Okay. If this thing is good, then we got a problem somewhere else.
Yeah.
Okay?
Would the other problem be affecting?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, because that's going to be a hassle because now you have to figure out
Yep.
where.
Okay, I'm gonna stop
But
here.
you know what, man, it doesn't make any sense because that alternator, as soon as it turns on, well, no, you know what? So let me show you what the issue is. And maybe I can possibly put in.
Okay.
Okay, so we put the alternator in, and we think there's a bad alternator. It's a aftermarket from Advanced, right?
Right.
So we took the old one that I guess we knew was bad. They tested it out, and the guy says it's definitely bad. So I'm telling my buddy here that it's very possible that he got another bad one. We did a couple little preliminary checks to make sure fuses weren't blown in the system that deals with the alternator. Everything was good, apparently.
Yep.
Right? And so the guy told us, hey, drive the car over there and they'll test it out. But right now it needs some more water or some more coolant, so we're gonna definitely and that's weird how it just didn't need that much. Obviously, when we do it the right way,
Yeah.
there'll be some bubbles that'll come out of it. But it wasn't hunting for
For what?
speed there, going up and down
When?
on the way home last night. Do you remember?
Yes, it did, because when I stopped at when I tried to get on the expressway
Mm-hmm.
at the stoplight before the on-ramp, it was doing the surging.
It was?
Yeah.
Up and down. Okay. Could very well be that, there's some bubbles in the system somewhere.
Yeah. So what Hector's doing is squeezing one of the radiator
Hoses, yeah.
hoses to squeeze some of the air out of it. So you see the level of the coolant going up and down as he squeezes.
And this is just, trying just to get some more in there. It really
Right.
didn't need that much, but we need to do it the right way. And then, really we should have that.
Yeah. So
Let me show them what we're eventually going to do, but the alternator thing is just messing around. This is the, is that right there? Spill-free funnel. And you
Yeah.
fill this, you put it on, you fill it up, you run the car, let it go through. Obviously, you as you're filling it, you're bleeding it here until there's just constant. Close it. Fill this up to here. Let the car run. Let it heat up. There'll be bubbles coming out.
yeah.
And then supposedly you want the fans to turn on at least once or twice. And then when you're done, just kind of let it cool down. There's a little cap that you put in here, pull it off, and you put the cap on and you're ready to go. Okay?
All right.
So,
So that'll be the next part of this video.
yeah. But man, that alternator stuff's really
Yeah.
freaking me out. And then the high speed idle. Okay, so let's, you want to go over there and get it checked out, right?
Yeah.
All right. Everything's good. This is good. That's good. While you're there, it's their battery.
Yeah.
You may want to have them check that out for you.
Yeah.
Just tell them, hey, man, can you check the battery out too? Maybe the battery is also,
I know it's a little low because I used the AC driving over here, but that shouldn't. They should still be able to test it. It's pretty dry.
maybe put some in there, man. Yeah, because it'll suck it. It'll suck it in from there.
Yeah.
You might smell a little bit of antifreeze.
Yeah.
Get some on the ground?
Yeah, it's a little bit. I spilled some. All right.